Welcome to another episode of Steemy. You are learning about Steepshot today. To be specific, the Steepshot Alpha web app. With this platform, you can use the Steem blockchain in an Instagram-like experience. As you can see here, we have all these photos that are being posted from other Steemians, and they are earning money with them. So using the power of the Steem blockchain allows them to get upvotes on their photos. And I'm going to show you how you can do that yourself. So first of all, you need to sign into Steepshot by either creating a new Steem account or log into your already existing one. I will do so now by using my private posting key, which is already pre-filled here in the field. Clicking on login with Steem brings me into my Steem profile where you can see my personal feed that is being created out of all the people that I am following on Steemit, or to say that more clearly, on the Steem blockchain. Because Steemit is just one of many platforms, Steepshot here is another one, and as you can see, a very beautiful. So let's check this out. When we scroll down here and we click on one of these photos, you get a nice photo view with a link here that says share post, which will automatically put the URL into your clipboard to post it into Facebook, Twitter, and wherever you like. Here on the top you see the username and when the picture was posted, as well as the amount of likes and, most importantly, the amount of upvotes generated Steem. So you see a number here, $17. This is not USD dollars, this is Steem dollars and will be paid out after a week. So TJ for real has probably already received his payout here. Next to it you see a flag, and the flag will allow us to remove a monetary reward here from this post. I will not do that, but be careful. I have tested this earlier, and looking here on steamworld.org into my recent activity, you can see that I tested it with Marianne West, and it took automatically 100% of my power. I undid that later and took the flag away. So be careful with this. This will take all your power. The same goes for the heart. The heart is basically the same thing as the upvote on Steemit. If you click the heart, it will take 100% of your voting power and upvotes that particular post here. And then below you see more details from the post description with the text that the user has typed in here. And then finally we have the comments, which are all nicely ordered here, and you can also upvote them with clicking on the hearts. So far there's no way to change that voting power. I haven't found that into the settings. Let's have a look into the settings right now. So clicking here on the little wheel shows us that you can filter for show low rated posts and show NSFW post not suitable for work. And that's basically it. So there's no way to change the voting power yet, but remember, it's still an alpha version. So another thing that you can do beside looking at your feed is clicking on the browse function, and this is basically the start page that we saw before we were logged into our personal account. Here we can see the top new and hot categories. So for example, hot are recent posts, while the top posts are the trending posts, the equivalent from Steemit, and then new posts are all the recently uploaded photos on Steepshot. This is what you can use as a user of Steepshot, but you can also upload your own images by clicking on create post. Let's try this out now. So when we do this, then we're getting into the editor, and this is basically a straightforward post editor where we click here on that icon, select an image on our hard drive, and give the whole thing a title. We call this a Flowey's Steepshot test, and we give it a tag. So this is Flowey and Steemy and Marvin, because these are all the characters that I have here on the images, on that image actually. And then finally we give it a small description. I am testing the marvelous Steepshot web app right now. Come and check it out. Alright, and when we're done, we double check. We can also flip the image here by clicking on this icon. And finally, we can create a new post by clicking on the orange button here on the bottom. So after waiting, the post has been successfully created and is now my third post on Steepshot here. As you can see, there's this funny little creature on the right, and there's this other funny little creature on the left. No clue who that is. And yeah, my post is still loading here, takes a while. While we are waiting, we can have a quick look here at the user profile that we're seeing here. So it pulls the avatar, the username, and the country, as well as the description and the website link. You see an overview of the value in US dollars of that user account, and you can have a look at the posts, the followers, and the following. While this is still loading, let's try out how this looks on Steemit now, because since this is being posted to the Steem blockchain, everyone can see this on Steemit as well. And as you can see here, this image is not optimized for the thumbnails on Steemit and therefore is cut off and cannot be seen entirely, but that's not too bad, because on Steepshot the whole thing will look a little bit nicer. Let's see if the image has been loaded now. Yes, but also here this is a square format and my image was a little bit more higher, so it's not ideal, but nevertheless looks pretty cool. Yes, and that is Steepshot. Check it out now and use it just like you would use Instagram, but get rewarded for it. That's it for today, and I talk to you very soon.